All right, so find the standard of form of the equation of the circle having center at the point 2, 6 and tangent to the y-axis. So we know our center is supposed to be at 2, 6. So let's see, we got 1, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're centered at 2, 6. Now, if we draw it out, we can kind of see, all right, it's tangent to the y-axis. That means it touches the y-axis at one point. So it'll touch the y-axis here. So it'll be a circle that looks kind of like this. You get the idea, even though it's not all that good. All right. Ooh, yeah, that's horrendous. Let me try it one more time. So it'll be kind of like this-ish. Ooh. All right. That's our circle. So remember, we need H, we need K, we need R. H is 2, K is 6, R, well, it's just the radius, right? And the radius is obviously just 2, isn't it? I mean, yeah, I could find the distance formula, but it's obviously 2, right? Because it's only 2 away from the end point. So it's 2. So we're going to just put everything together. X, remember, is X minus H. So X minus 2 squared plus Y minus K squared equals 2 squared, which is 4.